Hello and welcome back to Programs and Me YouTube channel. We were discussing literals. Next let's talk about Boolean literals. Boolean literals have only two values, true and false. True represents value 1, false represents value 0. You can use true like this, Boolean literals like this. You can use it for mathematical calculation. Value of true is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. Or you can say false plus 4. False value is 0. Or you can use it as like this. You can assign Boolean literal to a variable. It can be used in conditional statements and all. We'll discuss about that in the later tutorials. And the next literal is special literals. Python literals have one special literal known as none. None literal represent null value. In Python, the none literal represent the absence of value and is a special data type of its own, that is none type. You can assign this none literal to a variable. Its value is none. You can take like this, a equal to none. A represent none value, null value. We will use these none literals in our programs in the later tutorials. For now, just remember that it is a special literal and it represents null value. Next, literal collection or container literal. Container literals represent data structures that can contain other literals in Python. Literal collections in Python are of 4 types: list literal, tuple literal, dictionary literal, set literal. List is a collection of data declared using the square brackets, and the elements or the values are separated by commas, and data can be of any type. And list is mutable, changeable, and here you can see an example. Tuples are declared using round brackets, can hold any type of data. Comma separates the elements of tuples. Tuples are immutables, and here you can see the example. And dictionary literals. Dictionary is a collection of data that stores values in a key value format. These are enclosed in curly brackets and separated by commas. Dictionaries are mutable and can also contain different types of data. And here you can see an example. Set literals are a collection of unordered data that cannot be modified. It is enclosed within the curly brackets and separated by commas. Here you can see the example. We'll discuss more about this list, tuple, dictionary, set in upcoming tutorials. So this is all about different types of literals. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.